ISO 9001 2015 quality management system. Here we will talk about this 7.5, 7.1 resource, 7.2 competence, 7.3 awareness, 7.4 communication, 7.5 documented information. Now documented information, it is very basic requirement of any standard. Documented information, here we talk about how the document will control, how the record will maintain, what we have to do, what should be the requirements of documents. All these mentioned here. First we see clause number 7.5.1, its sub and subclause general. Just an example we can take organization quality management system shall, again here shall include documented information. Now here documented information means requires by the international standard. Here is the documented information, means we have to make the SOP or anything how to control the documents. Documented information determined by the organization as being necessary for the effectiveness of the quality management system. Here we can say quality management system part, how to maintain the documents and how this will be happen. Clause number 7.5.1. Now 7.5.2, creating and updating. Creating and updating, when creating and updating documented information, when creating and updating documented information, organization shall ensure appropriate identification and description, means what is the name of the document, what is the describe of the headings, all these things, means they should have the title, date, author, reference number, all these should mention in the documents. Formats, language, software, version, graphics or media which we are using, what will be the formats, what type of media we are using, it is the soft copy or hard copy, like this. Review the and approval the suitability and adequacy. During the creating and updating, we should ensure about this. We are doing this creating and updating, at that time all these requirements should be fulfilled. Now control of the document information, it is very interesting. Control of the documented information. Control of the documented information means documented information. Again, first here you check documented information, means we have to maintain a document like the SOP or any other media required by the quality management system and by its international standard, shall be controlled to ensure it is available and suitable for use. Means we have to decide a little bit documents which should be controlled and which should be controlled by the person, and there could be a stamp, means we have to follow that, so that documented information, how all the document SOPs, formats, SWIs, work instruction, how we will control it, all should mention here. How to do this, that will define in this SOP. It is adequately protected. Improper use, loss of integrity, all these should mention in the control of documented information under the SOP or any other thing. So what we basically learned in a summary of clause number 7.0 support, it is the 7.1 resource, what resources we provided, 7.2 competence, the worker or person who is working, he is competent or not. We have to check. Awareness, how we can increase their awareness, like training needs, training calendar, all will covered here. Communication, what is the internal and external communication that will be circulated within the organization. And media, we have to decide how we communicate, like email and notice board, also the example of the communication. Now documented information, all the documents which we prepared, how they will be controlled, this will cover under the documented information. So this is talk about the 7.0 support. Now in the next video we will talk about clause number 8.0. Thank you.